कैसे शपथ लेंगे? ले तो रहे हैं, मगर ये भी पहचानना चाहिए कि भारत देश के वासी वोट नहीं दिए हैं, फिर भी वो वोट शपथ ले रहे। बधाई हो।
ये मोरल डिफीट है जो हाल में चुनाव हुआ है लोकसभा का।
वास्तव है, क्या ये सच नहीं है? ये तो वास्तव है। क्या हुआ? 400 पार, 400 पार। पब्लिक ने कहा रहने दो यार, हुआ नहीं है। और जहाँ जहाँ राम जी का नाम लेके आगे गए, मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम राम जी का मर्यादा नहीं रखे, वहाँ वहाँ भाजपा हार गई। आप देखते जाइए, अयोध्या तक, अयोध्या भी हार गए। तो कहीं तो भगवान से डरो, कहीं तो।
और हम ऐसे अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल इलीगल पार्टी को जो सरकार बना रहे हैं उसमें हम नहीं जा रहे हैं शपथ में।
ये सच है, ममता ने ठीक निर्णय ली। हमको तो बुलाए भी नहीं अभी तक, और ममता जी ने ठीक कहा है। और उनके ऊपर जो वार चलाए थे, उसका नतीजा ममता जी ने मुंह तोड़ जवाब दे दी। हैट्स ऑफ।
Narendra Modi is set to take oath as a prime minister for historic third term.
It's historic because he hasn't got the mandate. It's historic because he is taking it by might and not by right. And so it will remain historic. People will judge. People, we are witness to history. And the future will turn around and look at this as one of the darkest chapters in India's democracy.
Minister Modi says he suffered a political and moral defeat in recent election. Call for accountability in parliament.
Yeah, it's not just an attack, it's a fact. Sonia Gandhi ji has given a statement of facts, because this is a fact. And if he had any conscience, any moral obligation, he should have resigned. But then we don't expect that from Modi ji. It was on his guarantee. BJP was not there in the elections. It was only his guarantee. Repeatedly he spoke about his guarantee. And that guarantee failed. And he doesn't want to pay the compensation.
In West Bengal, cannot wish well to an unconstitutional illegal party for forming the government. My best wishes will be for the country.
Rightly so. Rightly so that Mamta Dehi has expressed, as she always does, unhesitatingly. And she has stated what is in the minds of every Indian in the country today. It is not a constitutionally, morally recognized government that is swearing in tonight.
तीसरी बार प्रधानमंत्री आज शपथ लेने जा रहे हैं, ऐतिहासिक।
ఏమండి ఐతిహాసిక? ఏం చెప్తున్నారు అసలు? ఏ విధంగా, ఏ నమ్మకం పైన, ఏ నిజం పైన ఆయన ప్రమాణ స్వీకారం చేయబోతున్నారు? అధికార ఖండబలంతో మీరు చేస్తామంటే మేమేమీ చేయలేము. మేము పార్లమెంట్లో జవాబులు అడుగుతాం. కానీ వాస్తవానికి ఆయన ఓడిపోయారు. నైతికంగా ఆయన గెలవలేదు. అయినా కూడా నేను ప్రధానమంత్రి అని చెప్పుకొని తిరుగుతూ ఉన్నారంటే చాలా శోచనీయం. సారీ, చాలా షేమ్ఫుల్.